What's popping? Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, on this channel I talk about, my single mom's journey, some of the things I do, just showing you basically some DIY stuff, yeah, that I do, to cut costs, because as a single mom, it is really difficult to, manage your finances. You want to slay and look good and, use the latest of in vogue, but you still have a child to consider because you are the only one supporting your child. So basically, I'm just sharing my journey, sharing the things I do, and that's it. So I have natural hairstyles on my channel that I, talk about. This particular one that I have on my head that is this rough, is on my channel as well, how I did it. You can go back, check the videos on my channel. You're definitely going to see there. My life at work, because I cast news. So yeah, basically don't let me talk too much about myself, but you just check my channel and you're going to see what I do. So today, just like in the video, I'm going to be using an old hair to make a wig. Yes, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I had this braid that I did some time ago, like 3-4 months ago, thereabouts. So I took it out. I did not take all out because at a point I got tired of actually, losing the braids, and after doing that, it was a medium size, not less braid. And so what I have, the ones that I was patient enough to loosen hair. So this is what I have. Here it is. Here. So this is it basically. So this is what I'm going to be reusing. It's old. I've used it before, and yeah, that's it. But it's not entirely old because it's just like I used it like 4 months ago. So I'm going to be using this. Then also my Flexi rods. Yeah, I'm going to be using the Flexi rods, and I'm also going to be using my crochet pin. Yes, so this is what the crochet pin looks like. Yeah, and of course the mannequin head that I will be using. Say hello. Don't mind me just goofing around. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to boil water, and we're going to be dipping this inside water. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. You're going to see how exactly I'm going to. So you're going to take your Flexi rods, yep, and you're going to take a section of the hair like this. Just take a section you're comfortable enough to work with. Yeah, take a section like this, and then so this is what I'm going to be doing basically. So I'm going to section all of the hair that I have and just distribute it around the Flexi rod, and I'll show you what next to do. So at this point, life of a content creator in Nigeria, there was no light, and it was raining as well. So here is the finished, wrapping on the Flexi rod. So I still have some section of hair left, by the way, because I have just 10 Flexi rod and it wasn't really enough. So what I did was I couldn't video that part, so I just put the hair that I have on the Flexi rod inside the pockets, and I put hot water on it. Then it gave me that macaroni kind of shape. You get what I mean? Yes. So I'm going to be using a wig cap. I couldn't get all those crochet wig cap right where I was, so I had to use something else. So this is what the hair looks like once it is dried up, and this is another day. Yeah, this is a new day entirely. So I'm just going to fix the wig cap on the baby head and just start crocheting my head all around. This took me less than 4 hours to actually crochet everything. Although at a point in time I had to quickly step out, go somewhere, then I came back. You get what I mean? But basically, I enjoyed the process. I'm not going to lie, because I was so much anticipating how well the wig is going to turn out, and if it was a failure, we're going to see at the end. I was just so excited about it. So I just started sectioning the hair, because the hair I wrapped on the Flexi rod is quite it's chunky.
So I just distributed it. I separated it into smaller bits, and I'm just going to keep on crocheting on it thereabout. Later on, by the way, I realized that the braiding hair that I had macaronied, let me use that word, with hot water wasn't really enough, so I had to like do more. Or I put it under a fan and it got dried in less than 2 hours. Yep, so I was able to use that. Anyways, this is me, still the same day by the way, but I had to quickly go out and do 1 or 2 stuffs. But I came back and I just kept on crocheting. So this middle part, like the top of the head, make sure it is as full as possible. Make sure it is very, very full. So by the time you're done, that place won't be scanty and looking like what I don't understand. Anyways, at this point in time, I tried it on. It wasn't done, but I was just feeling myself, and basically, don't mind me, I joke a lot. And I just put it back on the baby head, on the mannequin. How am I saying baby head? On the mannequin, and I just kept at it. So this part, this was the part where I realized that, hey, well, this cannot be enough. So I had to go and do more braiding hair on the, I had to just do more and put hot water on it. So yep, I did it and I'm back because it dried in less than 2 hours, by the way, and I just continued my job from that point. And yes, I was done, and right now I want to try on the finished product, and this is it. So the concept of this is to have a fringe in front. Yep, so I tried it on. I did not style it on the baby head because it's not the mannequin that's going to wear it now, it's me. So I put it on my head, then I just started trimming off the excesses that were looking somehow. So I just trimmed it off till I got the exact style, or till I was just satisfied with it. Basically, just trim, but don't over trim. Okay, just trim all those edges that are trying to like be stubborn and they're not sitting in place. Just trim it till you're comfortable with the results that you have. So I'm also going to be showing you how I restyled it. This is what the back looks like, by the way. So I'm also going to be showing you how I restyled it. Like a few days after, I tried several ways and I really loved it, and I got a lot of compliments from people. Yes, so I'm going to show you how I styled this week. So I did not only wear it as a fringe, I use it as something else. So if you pack the fringe to the front, the band on the dome cap or the wig cap, it's like that. Can you see it? So I'm just going to pack everything to the back. All right, so if you do it in your fringe and you set it well, you're going to have a fringe normally. So what I did was I had a see-through net, so I just folded it into 2, then I wrapped it around the edge just like I'm doing in the video. So I took it from the back to the front, then I ended the tying at the back, then I did a middle part, a side part, like a right and a left part, and it came out really nice, just like you would see in the video. Honestly, I loved this wig and I'm still absolutely rocking it, and I think I'm even going to do more when I have more old braiding hair that I can use for any of my videos. Anyways, thank you so much for watching till this point. Don't forget to join the family by subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel, help me grow, okay? And also comment if there's anything you want to tell me about the wig, or whatever it is you want to share with me. Can you put it in the comment section, give the video a thumbs up and share it with as many people as possible. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Do have a beautiful and amazing day. Adios.